This is what it looks like when your dryer vent is not connected anymore. Look at all that. Look at all that. Squirrels. What's it got in here? Well, there's the opening for the dryer vent right there. I gotta attach that back to that. And I had to cut the ceiling out. The price we pay. Well, I had to cut the whole wall, the ceiling, just to even get to it. But yeah, all that stuff in there, it catch your house on fire. But we're gonna attach it back over yonder to right there. Then we get out. We're gonna have to put that back. That doesn't. It's not a fun rainy Saturday, isn't it? Well, it has to be done.